Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth related problems. For example, Bluetooth is not working, uh, Bluetooth device is not pairing, etc. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on general management. Under general management, tap on reset. Under reset, we can find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on that. Then tap on reset settings. Done. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. So this way we can reset Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth related issues. For example, Bluetooth is not working, Bluetooth device is not pairing. So those type of issues we can fix by resetting the Bluetooth settings. After this reset operation, we can again try to pair a Bluetooth device and test. That way we would be able to fix all Bluetooth related problems. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.